Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna tell you some general things about FastoCloud, like what is FastoCloud, who needs FastoCloud, how FastoCloud works, and just some other details about FastoCloud. So let's just begin. What is FastoCloud? FastoCloud is a media server. We do software for those who supply video content. It can be any type of video content like IPTV or just some blogs or online schools and other types of video content that you want to deliver to your end users via internet. Also, a special management system is provided for you and for your subscribers. So everything is negotiable and you can make a panel or a website that you want by contacting us. Let's just see who needs FastoCloud, who we work with. We work with IPTV suppliers, CCTV suppliers. We can work with startups, video bloggers, online schools, ISPs, resellers, cable operators, or media apps. Everything who delivers video content is okay to work with us. We welcome everyone who delivers video content, so just contact us. Now let's just check how FastoCloud panel works. Um, if you want to try it yourself, you just contact us and we send you our test panel and you can check everything yourself. Let's just sign in and let's begin from the beginning, right? Yeah, so at the profile page, we've got our first name, our email, our status. We're active right now. We can be non-active as well. We can be an admin or a reseller at type, and we can just add how many credits we've got, how many credits as we wish. Let's move on. Let's go to the tab subscribers. Here we can see a list of subscribers that we've got. We can see their status, their type. We can sync subscribers or add new subscribers. Providers. We can do almost everything the same as with subscribers. We can see the list of, providers. Yeah, sorry. We can see the list of providers, their status, their type. We can add a new provider. Yeah, that's it. Servers. Here we can see that we've got only one server. We can check the details that we've got here. And here we can see just the statistics about the service we've got. We can analyze the input data streams, upload content for end users. Over here we've got like different types of streams. You can see we can watch proxies, streams. Let's just see how many streams you've got here. Yeah, there we go. Codes, catch-ups, events, test ones, and a lot of more. We can add here any type of stream that we want and analyze the statistics that we've got. Load balancers, we can see also some statistics about that. We can see how many subscribers online we've got. We've got no one now because it's a test panel. Yeah, here's some statistics about them, about the subscribers. EPG, all the same, content requests, and that's it. Yeah, so this is FastoCloud Pro Panel. If you have any questions, you can contact us at fastocloud.com by clicking here on the chat. Or you can join our Discord room, which will be in the description, as the site will also be in the description. And one more thing, this panel is a test panel, and when you buy a subscription to us and you want a panel, we do everything for you. We put here your logo, but it'll be your name here. You can add some other buttons that you want to have. Everything is negotiable. So just contact us if you have any questions and check out our new videos. We post different new functions that we've got in our panel or in our players. We also can do a website for you. players are for Apple, Android, Apple TV, Android TV, Fire TV, a Roku store, or a PC panel. And yeah, that's probably everything I wanted to tell you. So just contact us, watch a new video, subscribe, and just have a nice day. Bye.